Join me as I take on the challenge of mastering the art of perfect egg omelette stew. Can I nail it, or will it be a complete disaster? Let's find out. Imagine combining the fluffiness of a perfect omelette with the rich flavors of a stew. This is the magic of egg omelette stew, comforting and packed with savory goodness, ready to elevate your milky. Cook your omelette until just set. Then cut it into stripes or chunks. This way, the omelette pieces will hold their shape in the stew. Every step is crucial for perfect egg omelette stew. Season and cook the omelette just right and let it soak in the rich broth, that is, of onions and tomatoes. These steps will definitely ensure a flavorful and balanced dish. That's that. You have seen our recipe. Now give our omelette stew a try and tell us about your experience in the comments. Did you add your own twist? We'd love to hear about it. And do not forget to explore our channel for more mouth-watering recipes and cooking tips. Happy cooking and see you in the next video.